The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. In the Kherson direction, the fire damage has neutralized up to 20 Ukrainian servicemen, 5 motor vehicles, 2 Akatsiya self-propelled howitzers, and 1 Msta-B howitzer during the day. Operational, tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery of the armed forces of the Russian Federation have hit 76 Ukrainian artillery units at their firing positions, enemy's manpower and military equipment in 148 areas during the day. In total, 400 airplanes, 220 helicopters, 3,401 unmanned aerial vehicles, 412 air defense missile systems, 8,280 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles, 1,055 combat vehicles equipped with MLS, 4,333 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 8,904 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.